Welcome to Gen Quiz, General Knowledge, English and Numerical Quiz. General Knowledge. There are 20 questions to answer. You have 10 seconds for each question. You must choose the correct answer before time runs out. You can share your score in the comments section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're ready, let's get started. The Pouce sculpture of Cesar Baldaccini in Paris is a duplicate of which part of his body? Answer: C. Thumb. Albatross, Mulligan, and Bogey are terms associated with which sports? Answer: B. Golf. Which among these rocks can float in water? Answer: B. Pumice. For which group of people was volleyball originally invented? Answer: A. Businessmen. Which layer of the skin contains melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing melanin? Answer: A. Epidermis. Which U.S. president resigned from office due to Watergate scandal? Answer: D. Richard Nixon. Which among these animals has not been sent to the space? Answer: D. Squirrel. How many countries in the world begin with letter J? Answer: C. 3. Which animal can sleep while standing on one leg? Answer: D. Flamingo. Who was the inventor of the artificial kidney? Answer: A. Willem Kolff. Khachapuri is a delicacy of which country? Answer: B. Georgia. Rods and cones are cells of which human organ? Answer: D. Eyes. Which animal has a nickname of sea cow? Answer: A. Manatee. In what year was the first Earth Day celebrated? Answer: C. 1970. What is the chemical symbol for copper? Answer: D. Cu. In which city would you find the tallest Ferris wheel in the world? Answer: B. Dubai. Which tennis player has won the most Grand Slam singles titles in men's tennis? Answer: C. Novak Djokovic. For the treatment of complications of which disease was the iron lung machine used? Answer: B. Polio. What is the birthstone of January? Answer B. Garnet. Ace is the pet dog of which superhero? Answer D. Batman. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.